Hey, do you want to create amazing videos just by giving a prompt or turning a picture into a moving real-life video? If that sounds exciting, stay tuned because I'm about to show you how to do it with an awesome website called Luma Dream Machine. First, search for Luma Dream Machine and open the website. When you're there, sign in with your account. After signing in, you'll see the interface with a search bar that says type some text or add an image. Now, I'm going to choose an image of a little girl. Once I've selected it, I'll press enter and let the Luma Dream Machine work its magic. It might take a few moments, but soon enough the still image will come to life as a moving video. Isn't that amazing? Just a quick heads up. Sometimes the images might come out a bit distorted or different than expected, but that's all part of the creative process. Next, let's try something even cooler. Instead of just an image, let's give the Luma Dream Machine a little story to bring to life. I'm going to type in a teddy bear in sunglasses playing electric guitar, dancing, and headbanging in the jungle in front of a large, beautiful waterfall. After typing it out, I'll click on the search button and let the website do its magic. It might take some time, but when it's done, boom, you've got a beautiful, custom-made video right in front of you. If you enjoyed this and want more tips like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Ace Designs. Stay tuned for more creative ideas, and I'll see you in the next video.